Okay, here's a little bit better test. If this goes to the fridge, and we're plugged in here. The fridge is currently off. We can power on the fridge and try to see the compressor start up, spike, see what happens. There we go. On. And the compressor's running. Sweet. Drawing about 306 watts. You can see our voltage did drop, but our voltage is starting to go back up, which means that the solar is able to deal with the load that we're feeling and able to charge the batteries up. Showing we are drawing. We're making about 29 volts from the sun, pulling about 15 amps from the panels, and batteries at about 26.8 volts. 13 amps is what the batteries are pulling. Cool, and I think it's actually running now, so let's go take a look at it. Yeah, it's definitely up and running. That's pretty cool. So it's just at the extent of my my inverter, because I have a 1,000 watt inverter. Not sure what the peak is on it. It's just at, I don't know, I found this on Amazon. But based on what it showed on the display, it did go over 1,000 watts, and it felt like it was about to die, but we didn't get a low voltage alarm. And I think so. Last night I was getting the low voltage alarm, but the sun was already starting to go down, and now I think the sun is, you know, directly overhead. We're able to keep up with it, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah, the voltage is looking good on the batteries, so you can see the charger is alternating. We'll charge it for a bit, and it stops charging, charge it again.